Good morning. So it's 5:30 in the morning here, and I'm posting from a different position because my usual position is currently a huge children's fort that looks like this. Bless them. So they've really gone to town on their fort this time. They're big fans of forts, but this one is has surpassed all the other forts, and I've been told not to break it down. So I'm going to wait until they go to school later before I take it apart. I think it's some kind of troll mine. It's got jewellery and all sorts in it. But anyway, I digress. So that's why I'm not posting from my normal position. Last night I was up until about 10:30 making you a needle felted fox tutorial, which some of you have asked for. And when I uploaded it to edit it, I suddenly realised that for whatever reason, my microphone decided to fail and there was no sound. And I didn't want to upload it this morning with just kind of a silent video because that's not really very helpful for anybody. So I've decided that I'm going to edit it today instead. My microphone's now magically working again, so I don't know what the problem was, but hey ho, these things are sent to test us. So I'm going to post the video tomorrow instead, and hopefully part 1 of the needle felted fox tutorial will be posted. So I will see you lovely people tomorrow. Bye.